Hey guys, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. Today I am doing another spring 2024 makeup trend for you. This one is Mermaid-Core. So as you probably could guess, it's inspired by mermaids. So the main features of this look are dewy skin, slicked back, wet hair, and then the biggest shades for this look are purple, greens, and blues. So I wanted to grab some products that were in these shades. And again, I found pretty much everything I need at Walmart. I got these two really pretty liquid eyeshadows from Revolution Makeup. Yeah, Revolution London. And they're kind of the perfect Mermaid-Core shades. This one's Bling, this one's Dazed. So that sort of blue metallic iridescent color. I think these were $2.97. I tried putting them all over my eye, but as with most liquid eyeshadows, there's a bit of creasing. Probably could have worked with it, but I decided to go with a more subtle amount of liquid shadow. I also got this really nice liquid liner from Maybelline. It's a pretty sort of jade green, very, very Mermaid-Core inspired. That one was, I think, maybe $8. Still not terrible for a nice long-lasting liquid liner. But I also picked up this multi-stick from Wet n Wild in that sort of green tone, keeping with the Mermaid-Core shades. Use this on the lower waterline, and it stays so well. It lasts for hours. It's actually really hard to get it off. For, I think, $2 or $3, this is a pretty incredible, I think it's a multi-stick, but I used it as an eyeliner. Then I picked up this shimmer color tattoo stick, also from Maybelline, and I used it in the crease. It's also a beautiful purpley shimmer shade that really plays into the mermaid kind of makeup look. Then since the dewy sort of wet look is also a big part of Mermaid-Core, I got some lip glosses from CoverGirl. They're yummy gloss. I used the shade in the video, what is this shade? Lavender? So like lavender. It's really pretty, just the subtlest hint of color, and it smells really good. I really liked it. And then I got this one in the shade Havana Good Time, just because I liked it. Also, shout out to these NYX multi-sticks that I bought last fall, and I said I would use them probably for everything forever. I was right. These are perfect for a spring 2024 Mermaid-Core makeup look, because they have that pearly dewy finish. This one's iridescent. They just work. I used all three of them again. I think there's 6 colors, but I use these 3 all the time. They're perfect. They really have been so versatile. I've used them so many times for so many different makeup looks, and they're really affordable. So, without any further rambling on my part, here is my Mermaid-Core Spring 2024 makeup trend tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. So we're going to start with this shadow stick from Maybelline, sort of that shimmer purpley color, and just start to trace it through the crease of the eye. Just really strong and saturated. Run it all the way to the inner corner. Take it out of the outer corner, just a tad, a little bit of a wing. This is a really pretty, sort of magenta purple shade. Has a nice shimmer. It really gives you that mermaid vibe. Then with a blending brush, just soften any of that cream shadow. Blend it out. And just really work it through the crease. You can really see the shimmer come through for a really fun mermaid look. Same thing on the other eye. Just keep blending to get a softer line through the crease. Next, take a liquid liner in sort of a jade, kind of emerald shade, and trace that along the upper lash line. Not too thick of a line, but just keep working it across your lash line and take it out a little bit for a tiny wing. Then take a green multi-stick and work that into the lower waterline of your eyes, just for some more depth and dimension. Next, take a white highlighter stick and trace that along the brow bone to really give it a nice highlight. And then use a blending brush to sweep that along the brow bone, really get into the corners so we can get a nice highlight effect all the way across. Next, take a teal blue metallic liquid shadow and I trace that along my lower lash line on a small angled brush, just to really play up that mermaid vibe. It'll coat your lashes too a little bit, but that's okay. It actually gives it a very, very fun effect. So just work that teal all the way across the lower lashes. Go back in with your highlighter stick and trace it in the inner corners of the eyes. Use a small brush just to blend that a bit. Really get that dewy, pearly look, that perfect glow for a mermaid. Then take a mascara, black one, and put a few coats on your top lashes. The bottom lashes are pretty well saturated with the metallic shadow, so we just gotta worry about the top. Then with the concealer, just dot it along your under eyes to clean up any sparkles or fallout you may have gotten. Not too much from liquid and cream shadows, but you never know. So just clean that up, getting real close to the metallic liner, just for a smooth effect. Then take a bronze highlighting stick and trace that just under your cheekbones for a very subtle contour. Blend it in with your fingertips for just sort of a subtle, dewy, pearly contour. It's really not too strong. Back in with our white highlighter stick. Trace that all over your under eyes, around your temples, tops of your cheekbones, and just blend it in with your fingers, just to get a really nice dewy effect, which is one of the hallmarks of the Mermaid-Core makeup look. With yet another highlighter stick, a pink one, blend that into your cheeks for a sort of magenta, iridescent flush. Still keeping with that pearly, dewy mermaid vibe. And just blend it in. Next, take a gloss and coat your lips with it to get that wet, glossy mermaid under the sea sort of look. This gloss is really nice. No, it has really pretty scent. I like it. And here we have our finished Mermaid-Core inspired makeup look for spring 2024. Very fun, very cute. Kind of have a floating liner going on in the crease. And the teal shadow liner on the lower lashes. You could reverse that. You could try doing the whole lid teal, but it's very fun, very bright, very bubbly. I think it's going to be really fun to create and sort of reimagine different Mermaid-Core looks. And that is my finished Mermaid-Core inspired makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you find it fun and that you can gain some inspiration from it to create your own Mermaid-Core inspired makeup look. For more details on the products and this budding spring trend as well, check out my blog. It's in the description box. And don't forget to come back, or maybe even subscribe, to see more spring 2024 makeup trends. I will see you next time. Bye.